It's an old grocery store. Look how cool it is, guys. Look at that, guys. It's pretty cool. Kind of dark in here. There's an old stove. A lot of cool different antiques in here. Prince Albert. Pretty cool, guys. Look at all this old cans. You guys want some pumpkin? Look at that. Some old salmon. Right.
That shouldn't be so bad.
Look at the old.
I don't think it would be that bad.
No, people get that all the time.
Look at this. Look how cool that is. Look at the old swingy Todd knives over there. Now those are cool. Look at that. Whoa, guys. Awesome. Look at those old bottles. Pretty cool. Look at that old mill. Whoa, guys. Pretty cool. What wanted? Al Capone. Look at that, guys. That's pretty cool. These are old. You know where Machine Gun Kelly got his name from? From Machine Gun Kelly. Look at that, guys. Super cool. Bonnie and Clyde. Look at that old stuff over there, guys. Pretty cool, guys. Look at the old fingerprints. That over there, guys. How old that is. That's cool. Look at that. Telephone your telegrams over here. Western Union. Look at that old fan. That's cool, guys. Whoa, guys. Pretty cool. Look at that old phone. Ring, 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 ring. Look at that, guys. New York set television. Portable cable. Whoa. Look at that old picture. Menen's toilet powder. Cool stuff, guys. Pretty sweet.